Welcome. We are here to assist with your buying and selling needs. Have questions or would like to schedule a personal tour? Give us a call today at 706-863-1775. Beazley Homes is offering a $7,000 buyer's incentive on this 2-bedroom Emerson plan. Welcome to your brand new townhome. This spacious split floor plan boasts an all-one level ranch design, making it easy to move around and enjoy all the amenities it has to offer. All the main living areas have waterproof Evacore flooring, LVT in the kitchen and bathrooms, and carpeting in the bedrooms. The owner's suite features large shower, and is finished with stunning quartz countertops and huge walk-in closet. The kitchen is a dream, equipped with stainless steel appliances, gorgeous granite countertops, and additional bar seating. Enjoy meals in the dining room overlooking the great room. A 6-foot shadowbox fenced-in backyard along with a shed for storage is also included. This space is perfect for entertaining guests or simply enjoying a peaceful meal with loved ones. Rest easy knowing your new home comes with a state-of-the-art security system, energy-efficient building materials. And with a one-car garage, plus attic space, you will have plenty of room for vehicles, storage, and more.Our lightning-fast 1 gig fiber optic internet speeds ensure you're always connected and able to stream, work, and play. Take a dip in our gorgeous community pool area, where you can soak up the sun on those hot summer days. Our paved walking trails provide the perfect opportunity to get some exercise and take in the beautiful scenery, while our activity field is the perfect spot for recreation. Whether you're looking to stay active or simply relax and unwind, our community amenities have something for everyone. Experience the best of both worlds and make our community your new home today. Don't miss your chance to own this stunning townhome. Schedule a tour today and experience the perfect combination of